Welcome to another episode of the Big Guy Joke of the Day. It's been a while since we've done a joke. Life intervenes, but we'll get back on track. This one is about a woman and a parrot. A woman in a pet shop sees a beautiful parrot. A tag on the cage says $50. Why so little, she asks. The store manager says, this bird used to live in a house of prostitution. It has kind of a vulgar mouth. The woman decides to buy the parrot anyway. First thing the bird says is, new house, new madam. She's a little shocked, but figures that's not so bad. When her two daughters get home, the bird sees them and says, oh, new house, new madam, new girls. The woman is surprised, but she figures, oh well, the parrot will straighten out once he figures out who everybody is. A little while later, the woman's husband, Gary, comes home from work. As he walks in the door, the parrot says, hi, Gary! And that's today's joke of the day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.